Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble my flower favour box. You'll find a link for the template in the description below. So once you have everything cut out, you need to start by folding all of the score lines on this piece. And these ones along the top just need to be folded forward like this. Next you need to apply some glue to this long side tab, and then attach it to the other side, making sure that it's all lined up along that score line. Then fold these 5 tabs down at the base and apply some glue to each of them. I'm using my quick drying acrylic glue for this. Then fold down the base, carefully lining up all of those sides. Just take some time to get it all lined up. Then you can press it down from the inside. Okay, now this hexagon piece is going to be glued to the inside of the base. And this is going to hide all of those tabs and strengthen the base. Just make sure that the pattern facing up matches the inside of the box. Okay, so this is the join of the box, so I'm going to put that to the back. And now I just need to close the box. So I've got a piece of ribbon here, so I'm just going to wrap it around like this. Then as I'm tying it, I just need to make sure that all of those petals at the top are all coming together. Then you can pull it quite tight as you tie the bow. Then you can arrange the petals at the top. So you could do it like this, so that they're all overlapping each other, making like a flower shape. Or you could arrange it like this, so that there's 3 standing up on the inside and 3 on the outside. They're quite easy to change once the box is closed. And there they are, little flower favour boxes that you can arrange however you wish.